When we are in school, our teachers tell us what to study and what to prepare for tests. But when we graduate out of school, unfortunately, nobody tells us what to study and even how to study. Elon Musk recently in a Ask Me Anything Reddit session, he said, learning is like a tree, a semantic tree. There are trunks, branches, and then the leaves. Do not focus on leaves before you have put on your trunk and the branches. There are books which teaches us the basics of any domain. Ram Charan, he wrote a book, What CEO Wants You to Know. He lays out everything about the fundamentals of business in that particular book. It's the same thing with William Zanzer, who wrote On Writing. He writes everything about whatever that you want to know about writing. That's about trunk, that the fundamental, the foundational topics and ideas about a particular domain. You need to know them before you can move on to the next one, which is a branch. There's a book, McGraw-Hill published it, The Finance for Non-Financial Managers. It doesn't talk about everything about management, it doesn't talk everything about financial domain, but it talks about finance for non-financial managers. Decent book, very good book, but it's a branch. Then comes the leaves. Lot of times we focus only on the leaves. The leaves are the sexy things, the trendy things, the current famous ones, the popular ones, and so on and so forth. Say for example, Excel 2019. That's a book, but that only talks about Excel. If you do not understand what data that you need to present, how you need to present, the book is not going to be of much help after the next version of Excel comes in. It's a similar thing about doing project management with Basecamp. If you do not understand how to do project management, what are the foundational values of project management, you will not be able to move from Basecamp to Asana or any other tool, or even the next version of Basecamp comes, all of your idea and all of your knowledge goes in vain. It does not mean that you should only focus on the trunk and the branches. There are values in the leaf books as well. But ensure that you put on the foundational values before you move on to the leaves. What's the book you are reading now? Find out whether it's a leaf book or a branch book or a trunk book.